Hello students, it's your science subject. This one is second chapter, nutrition in animals. You have learned in chapter 1 that plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but animals cannot. In previous chapter 1 you have studied animals cannot do photosynthesis process because those are consumer. You know about food chain. You have studied in class 6 chapter 1. There was a food chain which represent plants are producer, and because those are producer they can prepare their own food, but animals are not because animals are consumer. We prepare our food in kitchen, isn't it? Okay. Some animals eat both plants and animals. Recall that all organisms including human require for growth. Human need food for their growth and development, repair and functioning of the body. With the help of food we take so many food, different varieties of food. So with the help of food we find energy. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food and its utilization in the body. You have studied in class 6 that food consists of many components. Try to recall and list them below. Here I written protein, vitamin, calcium, fats, carbohydrates and minerals. These 6 components we get from food. The components of food such as carbohydrates are complex substances. Here is the example of carbohydrate. These complex substances cannot be utilized as such, so they are broken down into simpler substances. तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को ऐसे ही कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस लिया नहीं जा सकता, इसीलिए इट विल बी ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस. द ब्रेकन डाउन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ food into simpler substances is called digestion. What is the meaning of digestion? There is the complex substance is divided into simpler substance is known as the digestion. That means here is the example. Look here, this one is the long chain. That means complex substance, a big substance, and then this long chain is divided into small compartment, that means small substances. It's known as the simpler substances. Different ways of taking food. The mode of taking food into the body varies in different organisms. तो हर एक organisms का food intake करने के अलग अलग मेथड रहता है. That means bees and hummingbirds suck the nectar of plants. Infants of human and many other animals feed on mother's milk. Snakes like the python swallow the animals they prey upon. Some aquatic animals filter tiny food particles floating nearby the feed upon them. तो यहाँ पर आप लोगों ने समझ लिया कि hummingbirds and bees suck the nectar of plant, then human, infants and so many other animals feed on mother's milk. Then aquatic animals, they feed upon the food particles floating nearby. What is the type of food and mode of feeding of the following animals? Write down your observation in the given table. You may find the list of modes of feeding given below the table. Helpful. Name of animal, kind of food, mode of eating. तो snail, इनका खाना क्या है, ये सभी का खाना क्या है, ये आपको यहाँ लिखना है. And then mode of feeding. That means which kind of their feeding mode. Then here, digestion in humans. We take in food through the mouth. Here is the diagram of human digestive system. We take food from our mouth, then it enter into our stomach, then this functioning method. There is the large intestine, small intestine. Okay. So here the unused parts of the food are defecated. Have you ever wondered what happens to the food inside the body? The food passes through a continuous canal. which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. Where is the buccal cavity? Look here. Buccal cavity represent here from the mouth and then up to the end of the anus point. Okay. Then here the canal can be divided into various compartments. First, buccal cavity. Second, food pipe or oesophagus. Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and the anus. So here oesophagus, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and then anus. This is the process of digestive system. The small intestine and the various glands associated with the canal such as salivary glands and the liver and the pancreas secrete digestive juices. तो यहाँ पर क्या होते हैं? सभी digestive juices रहते हैं. With the help of them we can digest the food. The digestive juices converts complex substances of food into simpler ones. जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो बड़े बड़े बाइट लेते हैं, फिर हम खाना चबाते हैं, चबाने के बाद अपने ओइसोफेगस दैट मीन्स फूड पाइप में जाता है, फिर धीरे धीरे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. तो यहाँ पर सब क्या होता है? ये कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंसेस है वो सिंपलर वन में कन्वर्ट होते हैं. द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट एंड द एसोसिएटेड ग्लैंड्स टुगेदर कंस्टिट्यूट द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. तो ये पूरे जो सिस्टम है उसको क्या बोला गया है? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. तो इसमें जो जो इंक्लूड है उनके नाम आप यहाँ पर रीड करेंगे. ओके. नाउ लेट अस नो what happens the food in different parts of the digestive tract.